So through this app we wash our clothes. There are washing machines here and the dryers are here. So let me show you through the phone screen how we book our slot. From this app we can also check which machine is available so that we can wash our clothes. So after selecting the machine and after paying, we can now start the program. And then I have to come back after 1 hour. And the really cool thing about this app is you can check which machine is available while sitting in your room. So you don't have to come downstairs to check whether the machines are available or not. Simply you can log into the app and then you can check for yourself. And after your wash is complete, it will notify you via giving you a mail that your clothes are done, so you can come and pick them up. So that's the whole thing, and it's very convenient. So I'll pick this, I'll put this here so that if I'm unable to come, so the next person who wants to use the machine can put all the clothes in my bucket here, and then I can pick it up any time I want. But usually I come in on time so that I can take my clothes.